In this video, I will show you how to get lost or missing emails in Gmail spam or trash folder. So log in your Gmail account firstly. Open browser any and sign in your Gmail account. And then here click on more. Here you will see all folders. Firstly click on spam. Select them. Then here click on unread. And also guys, you can move these mails to inbox. Just click here, move to inbox, this icon. Similarly, you can do this one in trash. Open this trash folder. Here you will see a list of mails. Check out your desired mails, select them and move to inbox. Also guys, you can check these mails as unread, and also you can move to inbox. So this is the way guys you can get lost or missing emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching.